Welcome aboard the stunning Disney Destiny. My name is Taylor, and today we'll be exploring a concierge one-story royal suite with veranda and covering everything you need to know to prepare for your next cruise. Before booking, be sure to contact the Vacationeer for bonus onboard credit on top of what Disney offers, in addition to exclusive rates, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. When booking a suite on board the Disney Destiny, it goes far beyond the living space. It elevates your cruise into a seamless, high-end experience defined by priority access and personalized service. Your journey begins long before you set sail with pre-arrival concierge assistance, an early booking window for port adventures, which includes first dibs on cabanas at both private islands, and complimentary premium surf Wi-Fi for each passenger in the room. Once at the port, you'll enjoy priority boarding, followed by an exclusive welcome aboard lunch, which goes a long way on boarding day. Then throughout the sailing, a team of dedicated concierge hosts are available to handle every detail, from prioritizing spa treatments to securing adult exclusive dining, and may even facilitate exclusive character greetings or priority disembarkation. Beyond your cabin door, you gain entry into a world of secluded luxury, starting with the private concierge lounge, which offers complimentary snacks and non-alcoholic drinks all day, as well as nightly alcoholic beverages. You'll also have exclusive access to the private sun deck, featuring a whirlpool, shaded seating, and some other great touches like a fully stocked fridge, complimentary sunscreen, and even some special frozen treats. These private areas, along with the plush robes, slippers, the Bulgari bath amenities, and the expanded room service, ensure that your private sanctuary is as indulgent as the rest of the ship. As you step into the suite, you'll find yourself in the large living area. This suite is designed for entertaining and sprawling relaxation, featuring a wide open floor plan that feels more like a luxury apartment than a ship cabin. You can think of this living area as a massive central lounge with floor-to-ceiling windows, and features a large comfortable seating area with a queen convertible sofa to accommodate extra guests. It also has 2 comfortable reading chairs, as well as the first interactive television that we'll see on this tour. The dining salon is a dedicated open dining area with a table that seats 6, perfect for in-suite meals delivered by the concierge team. The pantry and wet bar features a fully functional service area tucked away, featuring a sub-zero wine cooler, a refrigerator stocked with water and sodas, and plenty of glassware. One of my favorite touches is the espresso maker and the wide selection of teas for my girlfriend. There's also tons of storage to tuck things away, as well as 2 large wardrobes and drawers next to the dining table for anybody who is utilizing this living space for a bedroom. Next to the entry into the suite, you'll find the first full bathroom. This one features a large shower with a rainfall shower head and adjustable shower wand, as well as a small vanity and some storage to the left to tuck things away. You'll also get your first glimpse of those upgraded Bulgari bath amenities. You'll see the next 2 bathrooms in just a minute, but having 3 full bathrooms and having each individual space have their own bathroom is great when you're hosting people or when you're traveling with friends and family. Another unique thing about this suite in particular is that all 3 of the spaces have access out onto the aft-facing veranda. The aft-facing staterooms are some of my favorite on the ship, and having each area be able to exit out onto a veranda and enjoy it without disturbing somebody in one of the other spaces is a big bonus. As we enter the bedroom on the dining room side of the suite, you'll find it's equipped with a king-size bed topped with a premium plush Eurotop mattress with Frette 1,000 thread count linens. This sits on an elevated wood frame with tons of room to tuck your bags or large items away underneath. One side of the bed has a side table with a US plug, USB, and USB-C port. The other has a European plug with a USB and USB-C port built into it. On this side, you'll also find a large desk area that can be used as a vanity. It has a large mirror, a magnifying mirror, tons of plugs, extra drawers, lots of area to tuck things away in this suite. In front of the bed, you'll find the second large flat panel TV. All TVs in the suite feature a variety of free on-demand content, including Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars movies. This bedroom also features a large walk-in closet. Inside, you'll find those comfy robes and slippers, drawers to tuck things away, as well as storage up above. This is also where you'll find the first safe in the suite. Next to the walk-in closet, you'll find the second bathroom on our tour. This one is specifically for the bedroom we just toured. Inside, you'll find a double vanity where you'll see all of those upgraded Bulgari bath amenities, large backlit mirrors, storage down below, as well as that bathroom scale that I usually try to avoid 3 or 4 days into the cruise. This bathroom features a large walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head and adjustable shower wand, and the toilet is tucked in the corner. On the opposite side of the living area, you'll find the second bedroom complex. This is going to be facing more aft and consists of a bedroom, walk-through closet, and its own separate bathroom. Inside the bedroom, you'll find the same king-size bed with all those upgraded amenities and of course that amazing pillow menu. Space underneath the bed to tuck large items away. 2 side tables on each side with an assortment of power, USB, USB-C to charge your devices. And my favorite part of this room is that this bed faces directly aft. And in order to preserve those aft views, they have the TV tucked away at the foot of the bed so you can bring it up if you want to watch any TV or movies, and you can put it down to preserve those views. In the corner of the room, you'll also find a small desk vanity area that has a large mirror, a magnifying mirror, plugs for charging, as well as some more drawers to tuck things away. Heading into the walk-through closet, on one side you'll find a large floor-to-ceiling mirror. On the opposite side you'll find hanging storage, the second safe in the suite, as well as more drawers for storage. As we enter the third bathroom, you'll notice the biggest difference is that this one has the large soaking tub. This is great for families or adults who just want to relax after a long day at one of the private islands. It also features the same double vanity and a large walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head and adjustable shower wand. Of course, all of those amazing Bulgari bath amenities, and the toilet is tucked in the corner. Stepping outside to the massive aft-facing veranda, it's easy to see why this is one of my favorites on the whole entire ship. You have 2 large comfy loungers, 2 seated chairs to take in the views from wherever you're sailing around the world, and this is one of the few suites on board that comes with your own private whirlpool. This allows you to soak while watching those amazing aft views. One thing that's unique to the Royal Suites on board the Destiny is that they come in 2 specific themes. Whether you book the 1-story Royal Suite, as we've toured today, or the 2-story Royal Suite, they come in either the Hero Suite variety, which is inspired by Hercules with Greco-Roman elegance, or the IncrediSuite, which is a sleek, mid-century modern tribute to the Incredibles, which we toured today. If you're interested in seeing the other styling, our 2-story Royal Suite tour has the Hero theme. As we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience, and with a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising.